Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Grammar by Asha Dinil. In this video, we are going to learn about degrees of comparison in very easy and simple way. Watch till the end and answer the exercises. Let's get started. To describe, quantify, modify or identify nouns or pronouns, adjectives are used. So what is an adjective? An adjective is a word which modifies a noun or pronoun. For example, the big dog chased the car. He is a brave boy. So the words attractive, beautiful, brave, noble, wise, sweet, fat, great, etc. are some word examples for adjectives. These adjectives have three different forms to show degrees of comparison that compare one person or one thing with another. It is known as degrees of comparison. Adjectives have three degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Look at these sentences. Sentence 1. Rahul's mango is sweet. Sentence 2. Hari's mango is sweeter than Rahul's. Sentence 3. Rama's mango is the sweetest of all. In sentence 1, the adjective sweet merely tells us that Rama's mango has the quality of sweetness, without saying how much of quality it has. In sentence 2, the adjective sweeter tells us that Hari's mango compared with Rahul's mango, it has more of the quality of sweetness. Come to third sentence. The adjective sweetest tells us that of all these mangoes, Rama's mango has the greatest amount or highest degree of quality of sweetness. We thus see that adjectives change in form like sweet, sweeter, sweetest to show comparison. They are called three degrees of comparison. The adjective sweet is said to be in the positive degree. The adjective sweeter is said to be in the comparative degree. And the adjective sweetest is said to be in the superlative degree. Well, let's take some examples of formation of degrees of comparison. There are three columns are given as positive, comparative and superlative of adjectives. Positive young, comparative younger, superlative youngest. Same way, wise, wiser, wisest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Good, better, best. Much, more, most. Bad, worse, worst. There are different ways to form comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives, usually by adding er or more to form comparative degree and by adding est or most for superlative adjectives of more than 2 syllables. The adjectives good, much and bad are compared irregularly. That is, their comparative and superlative are not formed from the positive. So this is called irregular comparison. Let's learn the three degrees of comparison in detail. First one, positive degree. The positive degree of an adjective is in its simple form. It is used when no comparison is made. So it does not compare the noun to another noun. Look at the examples. First one, Vidya is a beautiful girl. Second one, the cheetah runs fast. Third one, Shakuntalam is a good drama in Sanskrit. We can also say the last sentence as no other drama in Sanskrit is as good as Shakuntalam. Adjectives beautiful, fast, good are said to be in the positive degree, and there is no comparison is made in positive degree. The second degree of an adjective is comparative degree. The comparative degree of an adjective denotes a higher degree of the quality than the positive. Listen carefully the formation of a comparative degree. Comparative degree is used when two things or two sets of things are compared. When two things are compared, a comparative degree is used by adding er or more to the adjective word in association with the word than. Look at the examples. 1. Veena is more beautiful than Vidya. Second one, the cheetah runs faster than cat. Third example, Shakuntalam is better than any other drama in Sanskrit. Third one, superlative degree. Superlative degree of an adjective denotes the highest degree of the quality, and it is used when more than two things or two sets of things compared. When more than two things or people are compared, the superlative degree is used by adding est or most to the adjective word. Look at the examples. Example 1. Seema is the most beautiful girl in the class. Second one, the cheetah runs fastest of all animals. Shakuntalam is the best drama in Sanskrit. Here the comparison made between more than two things. Let's review the points. Positive degree. This is an adjective, denotes simple quality and there is no comparison is made. Second one, comparative degree. It is an adjective, denotes higher quality and comparison made between two things by adding er or more. Third one, superlative degree. It is an adjective, denotes the highest quality and more than two things are compared by adding est or most. Fine, I hope you could understand the concepts and you are able to answer the exercises. Fill in the blanks with appropriate form of degrees of comparison. First one, this pen is dash than the other. Second one, Hari is the dash boy in the class. Third one, prevention is dash than cure. Fourth, apples are dash than oranges. Fifth, America is the dash country in the world. Sixth, no news is dash news. Don't forget to answer. Thank you for watching, friends. Please like, share and subscribe my videos.